Welcome back to Get Healthy with Dr. Cooper. And you are in the kitchen segment. I have Chef Edgar. Welcome, Chef Edgar.
Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Welcome to the kitchen segment.
That's right. This is the chef's segment. I'm just here to assist. We have something very special for you today. Chef, what do we have?
We're going to do huevos rancheros without the huevos, without the cholesterol, but the same or more intense, amazing flavor.
That's right, with great quality protein. You know, we have been discussing chronic kidney failure, which is a fearful disease, but you can prevent it with certain lifestyle changes, with even the food you eat. Chef, let's show them how to eat eggs without the cholesterol.
Without the cholesterol, that's right. We're going to do this amazing, amazing dish. We're going to start off with our onion, okay? We're going to dice this onion. And again, the closer your lines are, the smaller your dice will be.
And you know, onions are great for inflammation. So if you want to prevent inflammation or even to boost your immune system, then you should probably add more onions to your meals.
So, our onions are ready to go into our pan. We have 1.5 teaspoons of oil. This will go into our pan. Our pan has been heating up for us. Okay, so we have our oil. That's the only oil we will need for this dish.
You notice we're using a small amount of oil because oil has a lot of calories. All right, there you go, Chef. What else, Chef?
Now we're going to put our bell peppers in. Okay, bell peppers. Now cut these little wedges out.
Bell peppers are great also with vitamin A, and the red bell peppers also are just wonderful with lycopenes. Lycopenes can prevent certain cancers like lung cancer and prostate cancer.
Again, keep our fingers together, keep our fingers in. We took the seeds out. We're going to cut little wedges, but we're going to dice these right now as well. And onions and bell peppers go extremely well together.
All right, Chef.
So our onion is going and getting nice and brown, bringing all that sugar out, okay? And see, we don't need that much oil. Vegetables itself are helping us out. Now we're going to put our bell peppers in.
All right. What else are we going to be adding?
Now we're going to add our tomatoes, get those going, get those nice and cooked.
There you go. Beautiful.
Tomatoes also have been diced. We left the seeds in there. We left everything in there, okay? So we got onions, bell peppers, tomatoes already in here.
All the colors bring different vitamins and nutrients, so you should have your plate with different colors. All right, Chef, what else?
Now we're going to invite our tofu in here. For those of you that do not know what tofu looks like, what tofu is, this is our chickpea curd, okay? It comes in a package with a lot of water. We have taken that water out, we've squeezed this, we've taken as much moisture as we could out. This is whole. We're gonna crumble it up, put it in our dish, and let the onion flavor, bell peppers, tomatoes, everything come into this sponge-like texture, and everything is gonna work amazing together.
This is soybean curd, very high in quality protein. So don't hesitate to use tofu in your diet, very healthy. There's a lot of myth on the internet about tofu. Don't let it scare you. Tofu gives good quality protein. All right, Chef, what else are we going to be adding here?
We have a lot of spices, but we'll go through each one right now, and they're important, and they're great for your health as well.
That's right. I already mentioned the turmeric. It's made from curcumin. That is a root that is filled with a lot of health benefit. Good for joint pain, good for inflammation, will build the immune system. Great antioxidant as well.
I put some garlic in here as well. Okay, that has been diced up. I have a large garlic clove. We also have jalapeno that will be going in here as well. This is one small jalapeno, okay, because it is huevo ranchero, so this has to have a nice little kick to it.
That's right.
2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This gives you amazing flavor.
That's right, as well as the B complex vitamin, especially vitamin B12. All right, Chef, it's all coming together now.
Everything's coming together. We have 1 teaspoon of cumin.
All right, beautiful flavor there from the cumin.
This right here, for us South Texas, this is our go-to flavor. And now we have half a teaspoon of turmeric.
All right, you all should have turmeric at home because of the wonderful nutritional benefit that this herb has. All right, what else do we have? We're going to make this come together now.
Everything's coming together. And now we have our savory salt. We have 1.5 teaspoon of savory salt.
Right, and you can do salt to taste. Remember that too much salt can lead to high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a risk factor for chronic kidney failure, and that is what we presented on our show today, so we have to be very careful with the salt. But then, if your food doesn't have enough salt, it will be too bland, so you'd go salt to taste.
And that's what everybody says, plant-based is bland. No, it's very flavorful. It's the best thing you can put into your body.
That's right. Food should be your medicine, but food can also be your greatest enemy. So you have to be careful. I think we are coming together.
This is pretty much done. We're gonna add some cilantro right here. This, once you start cutting this up, your whole kitchen is gonna smell like cilantro.
Smells really good, Chef. And how are we gonna serve this tofu here?
If we are talking about South Texas, we're talking about huevos rancheros. The only thing we could serve it with, Doctor, is some tortillas.
Whole wheat. Now remember,
Whole wheat tortillas.
not white flour. We need to get the whole grain that has more nutrients. All right, Chef, go ahead.
Ooh, this looks like huevos rancheros. Make sure all the flavors are going and getting to know each other.
Really delicious.
Well, we are going to finish these tacos off with the only thing that we could finish them off with. Again, we got jalapenos in here, but it's not a taco if there is not a salsa with it as well.
All right, so let's put our salsa on.
We've made a salsa right here, and we're gonna top it off with the salsa.
So, go to my website, get the recipe, try this at home. Until then,